morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Before we start today class, let's take a moment to pray according to our individual belief. Let's begin. Pray is start. Pray is
Amen.
finished. Alright, next I take attendance. When I do, please respond with one word to describe your day. Okay, guys?
Okay, sir.
Nila sleeping, sir.
Alvina,
Don't sleeping, Neil.
Yes, sir. One word, please.
One word. Beautiful.
Your feeling. It's so hot. Work.
is Adesta.
Anxiety.
Okay, Melvin.
Yeah.
Okay, Sherlyn.
Cool.
Shiva.
Sweat.
Sweet.
Sweet. Ila.
Happy.
Yusnia.
So sad.
So
What?
sad.
Hairani.
Still good and on fire.
Wow.
One sentences. Higher.
Tirta.
Powerful.
Okay. Amanda.
Hungry, mister.
Hungry.
Me too.
And last Adimas.
Cute aja.
Oh, acha.
Cute.
Okay. Sorry. Okay, before we dive into our material, before we dive into the material, I'd like to ask a question. Can someone please raise their hands to answer the first question? Is have you ever sat near a campfire?
Me, sir.
One.
Yes, I have.
When you
When is it in the what is the pramuka? Yes. School. Boy Scout. Yes.
Okay, Yusnia is next to have someone to answer the next question.
Feel warm. Warm.
Okay, next
Feel
selanjutnya next no to have
Life.
someone to answer the thirsty question. Shiva, why did it happen?
Because there is a fire in front of me.
Thank you, Shiva.
Okay, you're welcome.
Our focus today is one is what is heat, two is heat transfer, and last that's understanding. Okay, so what is heat? Heat is heat energy that can move from high temperature object to low temperature object. Heat transfer occurs in three types: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction is the transfer of heat that occurs in a substance without being accompanied by the movement of particles of that substance. For example, in the process of boiling water, conduction occurs when heat is transferred from the fire to the pot. Next is convection. Flow is the transfer of heat that occurs in a substance accompanied by the movement of particles of that substance. In convection, on the other hand, is the circulation of heat
Ini tahu.
within the water, where the warmer water rises and the cooler water sinks, creating continuous cycle until the water boils. Okay, last is radiation, is heat transfer that occurs in the form of propagating in electromagnetic wave without the need for an intermediary substance is made or medium. In example of radiation, in the process of boiling water is when we flash our hand, the flame used for cooking. The heat from the flame is transferred to our hand, making it will warm. To understand heat transfer, let's watch video on the topic.
Okay, sir.
Whenever an object is heated, energy is transferred to its thermal energy store as its temperature increases. The process of heating, though, can take place in three different ways, depending on the medium involved. For solids, heat is transferred by conduction. In fluids, it's by convection. And to get through empty space, heat has to be transferred in the form of radiation. Let's start with conduction. The key idea behind conduction is that vibrating particles transfer energy to neighboring particles. To understand how this works, let's imagine that you were heating one end of a piece of metal with a Bunsen burner. And imagine the piece of metal as a series of particles. As the end of the metal is heated, energy is transferred to the metal, or more specifically, is transferred to the kinetic energy store of the particles at that end. This causes the particles to vibrate faster, and so they collide with their neighboring particles more often, and with more energy. As the collisions transfer kinetic energy, the neighbours will also vibrate faster, and collide more with their neighbours. And as this process repeats, energy is passed along the piece of metal, until in the end, the heat is spread out evenly, and it will be pretty much the same temperature everywhere. Now, the reason that conduction occurs mainly in solids is because the particles in a solid are held together really closely, which means there's lots of collisions that pass on the energy. Whereas in liquids and gases, the particles are all further apart, and so they don't collide as much.
Okay, in conduction is move heat just medium in solid.
Exactly how well objects transfer energy by conduction is known as their thermal conductivity. Metals have a high thermal conductivity and transfer heat energy rapidly, whereas plastics have a low thermal conductivity, which is why we use them as insulators. And pretty much all fluids have a low thermal conductivity. Convection, on the other hand, occurs mainly in fluids. And remember, fluids can refer to anything that can flow, so both liquids and gases. Because the particles in fluids aren't fixed, once they're heated and they gain kinetic energy, they all move around faster. By the process of random diffusion, this will cause these more energetic particles to move away from the warmer region towards the cooler region. And overall, this means that the higher energy particles in the warmer region are a lot more spread out than those in the cooler region. So effectively, the fluid in the warmer region actually expands as it heats up, and so becomes less dense than the cooler fluid. To understand how this works in real life, let's imagine that we had a container of fluid, so that could be either liquid or gas. as we heat the container, the following things would happen. First, the particles near the heat source would gain kinetic energy and spread out, becoming less dense. Because they're less dense, these particles rise above the colder, less dense particles above them. And at the same time, these cooler particles sink down and take their place. Whilst this is happening though, the bottom, which the fluid was being heated, to instantly, just stopping the warm conduction and convection. It's just that in conduction, only the energy is transferred between the different particles, whereas in convection, the particles themselves move. However, heat energy can also be transferred without particles, which means it could travel through a vacuum. This happens when carried by infrared waves. All objects constantly absorb and emit radiation, and in reality they do both at the same time. Importantly, the hotter the object is, the more radiation it emits. This is why it feels hot to put your hand over a barbecue, even if you're not touching it. The very hot metal and coal is emitting infrared radiation, which is absorbed by your hand. We'll take a closer look at infrared radiation when we cover the electromagnetic spectrum. Anyway, that's all for today. So, hope you enjoyed this video.
Okay guys, jadi so in conduction, just energy is moved from the one medium solid to medium solid in low
Temperature.
Temperature.
temperature. And in convection, move is particle and energy, and in material is liquid and gas. And radiation, if you don't touch the fire, you can feel the hot or warm, because radiation is electromagnetic. Okay, next. Time for experiment. So next we'll conduct a simple experiment. Can one of you volunteer to help me, please? Yes.
Can you help me, Sir?
Sir,
Help me,
to
please. Yes. Help.
experiment.
Experiment. What?
Experiment.
Experiment is conduction. Yes.
In front of class?
In front of,
Face or
Yes.
stay
Yes.
in front of.
Move.
Move, come on.
Come on,
Dimas. This is the
Welcome,
legend.
Sherlyn. Rar.
Come here. So in here is hot water and metal.
Be careful.
Dideketin nggak? Ini
Be careful. No. Don't touch it.
You can see.
Okay, I zoom it.
Okay. And this plastic spoon. You Oh, metal spoon and plastic spoon. Simulation in hot water for creaming. Okay. What spoon is hot? Hot.
Warm or hot?
Which one?
Which one?
Which one? Spoon.
Left.
This is hot.
Steel.
Metal.
Yeah.
Metal spoon.
metal.
Feel hot in metal spoon.
Yes. Hot. Which
Careful,
spoon
be
feels
careful.
hotter? Yes. Which spoon with hotter?
The metal
Which one is hotter? Which
Yeah.
Metal spoon feel hotter.
Metal
Yes.
spoon.
Yes, guys.
Okay.
Why?
Adidas, what type what type of heat transfer in here?
I don't know.
Can anyone answer?
Is it conduction?
Yes. Good job. It's near.
Oke.
Jadi mas. Iya dia.
Hot. Left and hot.
Iya.
Okay. Next section is test.
Oke.
Wait.
Tak post tadi.
Little or first two.
Nanti ini aja. Nanti ini taruh di video pas semua nulis kamu tapi yang video sendiri.
Ini udah mulai.
Betul aja. Nanti lo kan apa yang
Okay. Everyone is prepare a small piece of paper.
Yes,
Okay. In two is answer the question by choosing the true or false.
Okay.
Only write the answer once. Close reference and do it yourself.
Okay.
No correction?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Just one.
Just one.
True.
Okay. One. True.
Can just one word of course even when they did
True.
False.
True or false? True or
Everything is true. Everything. True.
The answer is true.
Finish.
I choose true. I choose false.
So small.
I choose true.
Okay.
Super bang.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
And then next question.
And next 5.
Okay. Classical good pressure and that system. For yes, true.
Oh, true. Insulator. No false.
True. In
Next. Okay. Number 3.
Can move from low temperature. Oh.
can move from low temperature to high temperature. Next question, please.
Okay. Number 4.
What is the question, sir? There is an movement of water as well as the currents of many waves are extensions of the transfer they Next.
Alvina.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Next, please. Next, sir. Next, please.
Next.
Next
please.
Last question.
Rainwater in water tap transfers to
True. Everything.
all that, sir.
Finish. Everyone. Okay. Next. Correction session. Can you switch with your friend?
Oke.
Okay.
I don't have friend.
Oh yes.
Rules 1 is you cannot change your answer, and number 2 is put a cross on the wrong answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Number 1 is
Oh my god. It's wrong.
We're so
I'm not lucky. I'm
smart.
Yeah.
I'm so smart.
Oh my god.
okay.
Yes,
Next.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Number 2.
True.
Yeah.
No.
Oh no.
Next, please. Next.
Okay, number 3.
Next.
Oh my god, correct again.
Look good job.
Correct.
Next.
Next. False. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm so sad.
The last one.
Last one.
The last one.
Bohong kok ya?
Gambar 5.
Are you done, guys?
Yes, done.
Can you
Silly.
paper, please?
Oh, right here, sir.
Cut it.
Oh my god.
Thank you, sir. I'm so smart. Oh my god.
Lupa turun.
Shiva, the next.
Just the
Ilmuwan. Scientist. The next scientist.
you have the two group or
Udah lah kayak gini aja udah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi. I'm from group 1. Sorry to my member group because my is leader. And this is my member. Siva, Bila, Firdaus dan Yeah.
It's a bad word.
Is
You fucking nigga.
you
Mila, you guys ready?
you don't sing.
Don't be tantrum.
Okay, guys, ya. Number 1 is what are things of interest? Conduction, answer. And what is
What is
conduction? Heat transfer from solid things to another thing. Number 3, what is convection? Heat transfer in fluid from fluid to law. Number 4, what is radiation? Heat transfer without medium.
What is conclusion?
Conclusion is
No conclusion.
conduction is hot.
He transfer
What?
them 3 times. Please for the time, please.
Okay, conclusion. Conduction is transfer hot is 1 to 8.
Oh yeah. Example.
Next group 1, are you ready?
Signal.
Okay.
Cuma kita kayak kamu persis. Yes.
Siapa yang tulis?
Okay.
Come on, group 1, present your
One last go. Asik, bantuin.
Ada coba Pak Panji.
Okay, guys. I'm from group 1. In front of us, I presentation about a discussion to group 1. Answer the question. First question is, what are the types of heat transfer? Types of heat transfer are conduction, convection, and radiation. And the next question is, what is conduction? Conduction is the transfer of heat or electric current from one substance to another by direct contact. And the next question is, what is convection? Convection is the transfer of heat through of a fluid, liquid or gas caused by molecular motion. And then last question is, what is radiation? Radiation is energy that is radiated or emitted in the form of rays, waves, or particles. Okay, guys, this is answer the question. Thank you for the attention.
No.
Thank you. Okay, guys, this class is finished. Next week, you have the assignment on the worksheet, okay? Next time, everyone.
See you.
Alhamdulillah.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.